Have you ever woken up in the morning, stretched your arms, and felt a sudden, sharp pain in your joints? You might have thought it was just a sign of aging, something you simply have to live with. But what if I told you that the pain you feel every morning is more than just a natural part of getting older? If you're a senior dealing with this issue, I want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts or experiences in the comments below, because today, before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health tips. Together, we can start a journey toward a pain-free morning. Section number 1. Understanding the problem. Why do your joints hurt? To truly understand why your joints hurt every morning, we need to take a look at what's happening inside your body while you sleep. At night, while you're resting, your body isn't moving much. This lack of movement causes the synovial fluid in your joints, which works like oil in an engine, to become thick and sticky. This thick fluid makes it harder for your joints to move smoothly, causing them to feel stiff when you wake up. The longer the inactivity, the more your joints struggle to work the way they should. But that's just the beginning. As we get older, cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions the ends of our bones, begins to wear down. Think of it like the padding in your shoes, which over time gets thinner and thinner. This wear and tear leads to conditions like osteoarthritis, where the bones in your joints rub against each other. This can cause inflammation, swelling, and, most importantly, pain. So, why do we feel it most in the morning? When we lie still for hours during the night, our joints lose their lubrication. This makes them feel sore and stiff as soon as we try to get up or move. The good news is, by understanding these causes, we can start to tackle them. Section number 2. The culprits. What makes it worse? While aging is a natural process, several factors can make your morning joint pain even worse. Let's take a look at some of the main culprits. 1. Lack of movement. We live in a world where sitting for long hours is often the norm. Whether it's sitting on the couch, at your desk, or even just resting, lack of movement can make the problem worse. When we don't move enough, the muscles around our joints weaken, and this reduces the support they provide. We need those muscles to keep our joints in place and to help absorb some of the shock from daily activities. If you've been inactive, your joints become stiffer and more painful, especially in the mornings. 2. Inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection. But in chronic conditions like arthritis, it becomes a constant issue. When inflammation sets in, your body starts to attack its own joint tissues, causing swelling and pain. This means that even small movements can feel like a struggle. The pain can flare up overnight, and by morning, you feel the worst of it. 3. Poor diet. What you eat can play a huge role in how your joints feel. A diet filled with processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can contribute to inflammation throughout your body. Unfortunately, that inflammation doesn't just stay in one place. It spreads and affects your joints. But don't worry, a healthy diet can work wonders for your joints. Anti-inflammatory foods can help soothe pain, reduce swelling, and support cartilage health. We'll cover more on that later. Section number 3. Natural solutions. How can you fix it? Now that we understand why your joints hurt, let's talk about how you can fix it naturally. The great news is that you don't need expensive treatments or medications to start feeling better. Number 1. Keep moving. Gentle exercise is key. It might sound strange, but movement is medicine. You don't have to run a marathon or do intense workouts. Gentle exercises like walking, swimming, or Tai Chi can help lubricate your joints and strengthen the muscles around them. This doesn't just reduce pain, it also prevents it from coming back. The key is to stay active, but in a way that's easy on your joints. For example, walking for 20 to 30 minutes a day or doing stretches for just 10 minutes can help maintain flexibility and mobility. So, even if you don't feel like it, moving is one of the best things you can do for your body. Number 2. Stretching. Morning rituals that work. A little morning stretch can go a long way. Stretching helps get the blood flowing, increases your joint flexibility, and reduces stiffness. Simple stretches focusing on the hips, knees, and shoulders can make a significant difference in how you feel throughout the day. Even just a few minutes can ease that tight, painful feeling. You don't need to be an expert. Focus on slow, deliberate stretches that target the areas where you feel the most stiffness. Stretching regularly will also help improve your posture, which in turn reduces unnecessary pressure on your joints. Demonstration of a few simple stretches. Number 3. Hydration. Keep those joints lubricated. This may seem basic, but it's incredibly important. Drink plenty of water. Your joints are made up of about 80% water, and dehydration can lead to stiffness and discomfort. Start your day by drinking a glass of water before you even get out of bed. This will help rehydrate your body and keep the synovial fluid in your joints moving freely. Make sure you continue drinking water throughout the day, especially after exercise. Staying hydrated will not only help your joints but will keep your entire body functioning at its best. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory foods. Diet plays a crucial role in managing joint pain. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your meals can help reduce swelling and pain in your joints. Here are some of the best foods you can eat for joint health. Turmeric. This spice contains curcumin, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Try adding it to your meals or making a turmeric tea. Ginger. Known for its ability to reduce inflammation, ginger can be added to smoothies, teas, or even as a seasoning in your food. Salmon and other fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These can reduce inflammation and support overall joint health. If you're not a fan of fish, consider taking an omega-3 supplement. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and other greens are packed with vitamins and minerals that help fight inflammation and protect joint health. Number 5. Natural supplements. Certain natural supplements can also help ease joint pain and improve mobility. Two of the most common are glucosamine and chondroitin, which help repair cartilage. Omega-3 fatty acids, either from fish oil or flax seeds, can help reduce joint inflammation. However, always check with your doctor before starting any new supplement to ensure it's right for you. By incorporating these simple, natural solutions into your daily routine, you can start reducing your joint pain and feel better in no time. No need for drastic measures, just small, consistent changes that can make a world of difference in how you feel every morning. Section 4. The importance of proper rest and recovery while staying active is key to joint health. Rest and recovery are just as important. Your joints need time to repair and heal, especially after activity. Without enough rest, your body can become overworked, and your joints may suffer even more. Quality sleep is one of the most effective ways to allow your body to recover. It's when we sleep that our bodies go into repair mode. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Make sure your mattress and pillows offer good support, especially for your joints, to ensure a restful night's sleep. Also, consider adjusting your sleep position. For those with knee or hip pain, placing a pillow between your legs can help keep your joints aligned while you sleep. A small adjustment can go a long way in reducing pain when you wake up. Section 5. When to seek medical help. Now, while the natural methods we've discussed are often effective, there are times when it's important to seek professional help. If you notice that your joint pain is severe, persistent, or not improving with rest and natural remedies, it might be time to see a healthcare professional. Swelling, limited movement, or feeling like your joints are locking up should never be ignored. These could be signs of a more serious condition, such as rheumatoid arthritis or bursitis. Doctors may suggest physical therapy, which can help strengthen the muscles around the joints and improve your range of motion. In more extreme cases, injections or other treatments may be necessary to manage pain and prevent further damage. Always speak with your doctor before trying any new treatments to make sure they are right for your condition. Remember, joint pain doesn't have to control your life. If the pain is becoming unmanageable, professional advice can help you find relief and get back to doing the things you love. Joint pain in the morning doesn't have to be your reality. By understanding the root causes and taking proactive steps to care for your joints, you can start waking up pain-free and ready to take on the day. Start with small changes today. Whether it's drinking more water, incorporating a few stretches into your morning routine, or adding anti-inflammatory foods to your diet, these simple steps can help reduce pain and improve your quality of life. I hope these tips help you on your journey to healthier, pain-free mornings. If you've learned something new today, be sure to like this video and share it with someone who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful health tips, and leave a comment below. Let me know how you're managing your joint pain, and if you have any natural remedies that work for you. Remember, you're never too old to take care of your joints. Start today, and let's live healthier together.